Hello friends, welcome to my channel Let's Tech Olympiad. So friends, I am Karthik Bansal and an Unacademy IIT JEE Plus student. In today's video, I will be telling you best teachers on Unacademy Plus platform for your IIT JEE preparation. You can take help from these teachers to get a rank in top 100,000 or 2000. So first I will start from the maths column. In the maths column, I study from Amarnath Anand sir. He is the director of Nucleus Education Quota, which has produced very awesome result in the IIT JEE platform. Like he has taught year 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12. You can see 6 ranks in top 10. He has also taught Chitrang Murdia year 1 2014. He takes very good example in the class. He teaches from very basic level to very advanced level. He covers good questions in his class. He does every derivation and then gives us example and then gives us question to practice. He There are batches for class 11, 12th and 13 which is called droppers, which are taught by him. You can see the batch are nurture, which is called class 11th batch, then enthuse, which is class 12th batch, then leader batch for droppers. And you can also visit his special classes here. I will give the link of Unacademy in the description. Let's get to the glimpse of his sheet. Like this is the sheet of circle. Wait. Yes, this is the sheet of circle. He gives his material in two parts. First is workbook, second is sheet. Workbook contains it contains concise theory which you can use for revision. You can see this is the results year 1, 3, 6, 8, and then comes the sheet. First it contains exercise 1 which contains a good amount of question and it is about mains to advanced level. And then comes the exercise which contains the upper than mains level and less than advanced level. Then comes the JEE main level questions, which is PYQs. It covers all PYQs from 202 to 2020. After that, there comes exercise 4, which is called JEE advanced exercise. It also contains the PYQs of the questions. You can see. And then comes exercise 5 which is only and only for advanced, which is called comprehension type and matrix match. You can see matrix match, multiple choice questions, all the questions which come in advanced. Then comes exercise 6 which is called subjective level questions. It are also of advanced level. You can see at end of the sheet there are given answer key. You can see here. Then now let's go to the physics column. According to me, Kailash Sharma is the best educator for your physics preparation. He is graduate from IIT Patna and he is ex-Resonance and Bansal faculty. The special quality of Kailash Sharma sir is that if a thing has 9 cases, he will cover each of the 9 cases in the class and give examples of the 9 cases. This is the quality of Kailash Sharma sir. And he helps us to solve very difficult questions which are from Erodo, JEE Advanced previous question, Pathfinder selected questions, Kuroto selected question, and NTA paper also. You can also visit his special classes like this. He has covered NTA and PYQs in the special classes. He also run the batches for 11, 12 and 13. For 12th and 13th, there is a course called Course on Physics through MCQs. You can see here where he will cover MCQs on each and every topics, which is like a rapid revision for you. Let me show you his sheet. According to me, his sheet is the best sheet of physics according to me. It goes from very basic level to advanced level wise. First comes exercise 1 part 1, which is called correct type questions. And then comes J main previous year question. You can see 65 question in the first exercise part 1. Then part 2, which is called previous year paper. All questions from 202 to 2020. After this, there comes exercise 2, which is called J advanced level exercise part 1 section A. The part 1 is also divided into such sections. First comes MCQs. They are of advanced level, as you can suggest that MCQs are there, so they are of advanced level. And then comes the comprehension type, which we can say section B. It also covered every question which can be created. Then comes matrix type questions. You can see matrix. And this is the part 1. Then comes part 2, which is called subjective type questions. These subjective questions are very good, and it also contains some Erodov question. You can relevant Erodov questions. And then comes J advanced PYQs. You can see these are J advanced PYQs, and at the last of the sheet there is answer key. Now let's go to our chemistry team. The best chemistry team for on Unacademy Plus is chemistry expert team, which is Brijesh Jindal, Sharad Kothari, Piyush Maheshwari. Brijesh Jindal sir teaches very good. His notes are so good that if you study from those notes, you will fall in love with physical chemistry. He connect things to each and other. Very good. He took previous year question in his class. He is the best physical chemistry educator. He teaches very detailed. As you can see, he has covered redox reaction in 16 lessons. You can 24 hours means 24 hours on redox reaction. So you can now calculate that how he teaches. Let me show you his sheet. His sheet, this is chemistry expert, and this is chemistry expert team. You can see in the photo and the about educator. It covers question topic wise like redox titration, acid base equation, Marcel calculation. So like when you are doing revision, if your one part is very weak, you can do only that question. You don't want to waste any time in searching that question. This is one good thing about his sheet. And then comes exercise 2, as you can see objective questions. And at the last there are solutions. You can see answer key, sorry. And for organic chemistry, Sharad Kothari sir is the best teacher. According to me, I just love doing organic chemistry with Sharad Kothari sir. He has experience of 18 to 15 years. 15 to 18 years. He teaches first the concept, then the examples. Let me show his sheet. This is his sheet. It covers all types of question. It is very big sheet, so I can't tell you about it. You can see by this exercise 2, exercise 3, then previous year, then answer. And the best teacher for inorganic chemistry is Piyush Maheshwari. No doubtly. He teaches chemical bonding so good that I just fall in love with chemical bonding. He teaches concept related to the real life examples. He is also the author of book Super Problems in Inorganic Chemistry, and in the class he gives homework from this book. It is a free ebook available on his channel. I will give you the link of his channel in the description box. And he has also provided a solution on video solutions on his channel. You can see there also. This is Piyush Maheshwari sir, and this is the index. You can see. First there is exercise 1, then exercise 2, first mains level, second advanced level. This is a must do book for inorganic chemistry. So friends, these are the teachers recommended by me for on Unacademy platform. Let me tell you a summary. Amarnath Anand sir for maths, Kailash Sharma sir for physics, Brijesh Jindal sir for physical chemistry, Sharad Kotari sir for organic chemistry, Piyush Maheshwari sir for inorganic chemistry. Thanks for watching. If you want to take IIT JEE Unacademy subscription, please use my code which it is given in description. Thanks for 100 subscribers.